SMTP email error 420. How to resolve solved. Warmy blog. SMTP email. Error 420 can severely disrupt your email communication, both personally and professionally. It typically appears as a temporary network issue, indicating that the email cannot be currently delivered. This error generally signifies that the email server is unable to process your message due to a network issue. Users might see messages like "service not available" or "mail server temporarily unavailable." For effective resolution, it's crucial to understand the underlying causes of SMTP email error 420. Common triggers include server overloads or network disruptions affecting email delivery. To address SMTP email error 420 in email clients like Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo, start by checking your network connections and server settings. Ensuring these are correct can often resolve the issue quickly. Warmy.io offers services to enhance email deliverability, which can be particularly useful in preventing SMTP email error 420. Their tools help build a sender's reputation and ensure emails are less likely to be flagged as spam. Their platform performs a comprehensive deliverability test that evaluates your email setup, checks for blacklisting, and helps set up correct email authentication practices like SPF and DMARC. For personalized assistance, Warmy.io's experts can provide consultations to diagnose and solve issues specifically affecting your email campaigns, helping ensure your emails consistently reach their destination. In conclusion, quickly addressing SMTP email error 420 is vital for maintaining effective email communication. Utilizing tools and services like those offered by Warmy.io can greatly improve your system's reliability and reduce future email delivery issues. As you're wrapping up, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay in the loop with our latest updates.